Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the demo of my portfolio chatbot, powered by a crew of agents using the CrewAI framework. Let's get started by explaining and exploring the architecture. For example, when a user asks a question about me, my projects, or anything related, it first goes to the agent planner. So this agent planner analyzes the requests from the user and creates a plan to generate the best response. Next, the agent manager that takes over and assigns or delegates the task to the right agent based on the description of each available agent in this system and also the capabilities or the tools that is provided to each agent. So as you can see here, we have four specialized agents. The first one is the general info agent, which can answer questions about me based on a knowledge base that contains all the necessary information about me. This informations are included in a JSON file and also in my resume in a PDF format. So the second agent is the Gmail sender agent, which can send emails to me when a user requests it using a custom tool which is provided or which is based on the SMTP. The third one is the GitHub projects agent, which fetches a list of all my projects from GitHub using its API. And finally, we have the GitHub repo details agent, which provides detailed information about a specific repository by first identifying the correct repo name from the project list, which is given by the previous agent. So once all this information is provided, the agent manager refines the response to make it clear, friendly, and easy to use or to understand for the user. And also to handle the memory, I used Memo AI to store key ideas from the user's messages and identifying each user by a user ID and to monitor everything, including tokens usage and the workflow of the crew or the system. I used Agent Ops. So for more detail, you can check this repo. And now let's move to the demo. So in the first test, I'm gonna just ask the chatbot to give me a brief description about me by asking him who is the Uthman. So now let's open the terminal. As you can see here, a new user ID is created. And now let's check the Agent Ops session to track the workflow of the crew and all the LLM events that happen in this conversation. So as you can see here, the crew is responding to the question where the response is provided by the general info agent, which has the all the information to respond to this question. As you can see also, the response contains a routing page or a routing link to get more details in the About page on my portfolio. So let's check it. So for the second test, I'm gonna ask him to give me the important certificates that I had. So let's wait for the answer. So after some LLM events, we got the result. As you can see here, it contains all the details about each certificates and also a clickable link. So let's check it. So now let's move to the third test where I'm gonna ask him to give me the used technologies in my last project, which is this project. So at the first try, the agent manager made a mistake by thinking that he needed the full name and the email of the user, but after that he got the right path to get the right answer, which is delegating the task to the Git or repo agent to get all my GitHub public repos sorted from the newest ones to the oldest ones. And after getting the result, the agent manager gonna delegate the work for the second time to the agent, which is the GitHub repo details agent, to get more informations about my last project. So as you can see here, we got the response. It contains all the technologies like Memo AI, CrewAI, etc. So for the last test, I will use the memory. So let's check or let's see the previous request that I did. So as you can see here, here is the user question and the assistant response or the crew response. So now for the first test or the first try, I'm gonna demand to the chatbot to send me an email to tell me just that Ramadan is tomorrow, uh, without giving them my full name and also my email. So after that, he gonna demand to me, as you can see, to provide him the my user or the user email and the full name. So I'm gonna give it to him to send me the email. So let's see the flow of getting the response in the agent obsession. So as you can see, now we have the possibility to send me an email by providing this this information about the user. And now let's check my inbox. So as you can see, the email has been sent to me successfully. So thank you for watching, and I hope you're understanding this multi-agentic system. See you in next demos.